What if I told you that reality is not holding together as well as we think? That the universe, the stable, predictable, beautifully structured cosmos we've trusted our entire lives, may be developing fractures, small ones, invisible ones, but growing, spreading, deepening. What if space itself is cracking, not in a dramatic, apocalyptic explosion, but slowly, silently, like ice under pressure, a structure bending, groaning, weakening, long before it finally breaks? For years, scientists believed the universe was unshakable, a cosmic machine governed by immutable laws. Gravity pulls, light travels, time flows, space expands. These were the rules, and they didn't change. But now, the universe is starting to act strangely. Galaxies moving faster than physics allows, dark matter behaving like it's dissolving, quantum fields flickering with unexplained noise, particles shifting states without cause, and the fabric of space-time distorting far beyond predictions. Some researchers whisper what others avoid saying. Reality is not as stable as it once was. So today, we confront the possibility that the universe is entering a new phase, one where cracks in the cosmic structure are beginning to spread, and everything we know may be on the verge of transforming into something we cannot yet comprehend. To understand how the universe can crack, we must first understand what it's made of. Not planets, not stars, not galaxies. The universe is built from fields, invisible energy fields that fill all of space. Matter is just a disturbance in these fields. Particles are ripples. Forces are interactions between waves. Reality is not solid. Reality is vibration. But what happens when a field becomes unstable? We've seen it before. In early cosmic history, the universe underwent phase transitions. Just like water freezing or boiling, the universe changed its state from pure energy to fundamental particles. From chaos to structure, from simplicity to complexity, each transition left scars, cracks, imprints in the cosmic background, invisible fault lines running through the history of existence. Now imagine the universe is approaching another phase, transition. Imagine those ancient cracks awakening. Imagine new cracks forming, not physical fractures, but fractures in the laws of physics themselves. This idea is not fantasy. Some physicists already believe the universe exists in a metastable state, a temporary, fragile condition that could collapse into something else. A shift in the Higgs field, an instability in dark energy, a break in quantum coherence. Any of these could ripple across reality, rewriting physics in an instant. But such a collapse might not happen suddenly. It could begin slowly, too slow to notice, as tiny cracks spread through the fabric of space. Look at the galaxies. They are drifting apart faster than ever before, not just because of expansion, but because that expansion is accelerating with no clear mechanism. Dark energy, whatever it is growing stronger, more dominant, more aggressive. If dark energy is a pressure acting on the fabric of space, then the universe is like a balloon stretched to thin. Eventually, the material begins to weaken. Small tears form, invisible at first. Perhaps that's already happening now. Some astronomers report distortions in distant starlight, subtle, irregular warps that cannot be explained by gravity alone. It's as if space between us and the stars is uneven, as if light is passing through fractured glass. Other scientists have detected mysterious fluctuations in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, patterns that should not exist, cold spots, hot spots, regions with too much structure or too little dot. It's almost as if the universe is forming wrinkles, stress marks, fissures. Some call these topological defects, others call them vacuum instabilities, but a few whisper a darker phrase: cracks in reality. Even time is misbehaving. Atomic clocks, the most precise devices ever created, are drifting apart in ways no theory predicts, not by milliseconds, but by tiny, microscopic deviations that should be impossible. If time was stable, every clock in the universe would march in harmony, but they don't. It's as though time is stretching differently in different places, as if the flow of time itself is becoming irregular, inconsistent, fractured. Imagine living in a universe where 1 second isn't always 1 second, where time bends, not just near black holes, but in ordinary space. If time cracks, causality cracks, memory cracks, reality cracks, then there's the strangest clue of all. Quantum events are becoming noisier. Physicists studying entanglement, the spooky connection between distant particles, are detecting anomalies. particles losing synchronization earlier than predicted, quantum states flickering with unexpected chaos. It's almost as if the quantum field under everything is becoming turbulent. Think of a violin string. When it's tight, it vibrates cleanly. When it loosens, the sound becomes distorted, unstable, chaotic. The universe may be loosening, its foundational tension weakening, its harmony dissolving. What if the cracks we sense in space, in matter, in time, in energy, are signs that the universe is slipping out of tune? But here's the most unsettling question. Why is the universe cracking? There are three major theories. Theory 1. Heat death is beginning early entropy. The measure of disorder is accelerating faster than models predict. Stars are burning out quicker. Galaxies are thinning. The universe is dimming. Heat death was supposed to happen trillions of years from now. But what if it's starting now? Not visibly, but quietly. Structurally, cracks could be the early symptoms of a universe losing energy, losing order, losing coherence. Theory 2. Another universe is interfering according to brain cosmology. Our universe may be one membrane floating in a higher dimensional space among countless others. If another brain drifts close, its gravity, energy, and structure could distort our own, creating fractures, like ripples formed when two surfaces skim past each other. Some anomalies in the cosmic microwave background might actually be fingerprints of another universe brushing against ours, a cosmic collision we don't fully understand. Theory 3. The universe is preparing to phase transition in cosmic history was preceded by instability, a breakdown of old rules before new rules emerged. Before atoms existed, the universe cracked into particles. Before stars existed, the universe cracked into hydrogen and helium. Before galaxies formed, the universe cracked into clumps of matter. Cracks are not just signs of deterioration, they are signs of change. What if the universe isn't dying, but evolving, transforming into a new state of existence beyond our current physics? If so, the cracks might be the sound of an old reality, giving way to a new one. Now, imagine what comes after the cracks. A universe where space behaves differently, where matter forms new structures, where time flows in unfamiliar directions, where consciousness interacts with reality in ways we cannot yet describe. We would not survive such a transformation, but something else might. A new kind of universe, a new kind of matter, a new kind of intelligence. We might be witnessing the earliest whispers of cosmic metamorphosis. So what does it mean that the universe is cracking? It means the cosmos you were born into may not be the same cosmos your descendants inherit. It means the rules we've relied on might not last forever. Means the universe is not a static object, but a living process growing, shifting, breaking, and becoming. And it means that somewhere, deep beneath the surface of existence, something is happening. Something subtle, something powerful, something ancient, something new. The universe is cracking, and whatever comes next may be beyond anything we have ever imagined.